In this video, I'll teach you how to use Acorns for retirement. Hi everyone, welcome back to How Genic. If you're trying to invest into Acorns so that it can help you out in the retirement plan, in this video, let me show you the things that you can do inside of Acorns. First things first, you'll need to open up the Acorns app and log into your account. You can also use the website inside of the application. Secondly, tap on the later section on the home screen. This is your retirement account, also known as an IRA. Inside of the later section, you'll have different types of retirement accounts such as traditional IRA, Roth IRA, and SEP IRA. If you are having a hard time choosing the different types of accounts, Acorns will select or recommend the best account based on your information. Based upon the information that you have or have added inside of Acorns, the application will automatically suggest the best type of account that you need to choose. What you also need to do is set up a recurring contribution. Choose how much you want to invest on a regular basis. It may be daily, weekly, or monthly. Even $5 a week adds up over time. So lastly, after you set up all of this, you need to pick a retirement goal. The retirement goal can be when do you want to retire or how much you want to have by then. After you fill in all of your information, Acorns builds you a portfolio based on your age, goals, and risk levels. So once Acorns selects the automatic investment that you might need, you're going to see this screen which gives you the different types of risk that you can have in the Acorns, ranging anywhere from moderate to aggressive. So that's all there is for this video. That's the way that you use Acorns for your retirement. If this guide video was helpful to you, do let us know by giving this video a thumbs up. That's going to be all for today. I'll see you in the next one.